Good evening to one and all present here. I, Verena, host of the evening. It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to everyone gathered for the valedictory ceremony of the St. Aloysius Deemed to be University Athletic Meet 2025-26. This evening marks the culmination of days filled with energy, determination, and healthy competition. The steadily increasing participation of students from both undergraduate and postgraduate programs each year stands as a testimony to the growing enthusiasm for sports in our institution. The athletic meet truly reflected a vibrant blend of youthful zeal, sportsmanship, and exceptional talent. A wide range of events challenged participants to showcase their physical strength, agility, endurance, and cooperative spirit. The grounds echoed with excitement, encouragement, and the joy of participation, making the entire day a memorable experience. Overall, the meet was not just a competition but a celebration of discipline, dedication, and unity, an event that will be cherished by all who were a part of it. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to have with us this evening our esteemed dignitaries for the ceremony, Chief Guest Dr. Charles Furtado, the Vice Chancellor Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ, Registrar Dr. Ronald Nazareth, Co-Convener of the meet Dr. Narayana Mulya, Guest of Honor Ms. Sucheta Deb Burman. I request the Directors of Physical Education to also join us onto the dais. At this moment, I extend a warm welcome to everyone gathered here. I now invite our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Charles Furtado, to grace the occasion by delivering his address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, and all my colleagues and my dear students. As it was mentioned many times, I am on the home stretch now after a marathon of nearly 35 years. And I am very grateful for this marathon, which happened in this great institution, St. Aloysius College, which has now become a university. In fact, from morning till now, I was privileged to watch many sportspersons here. I think quite a few records were broken. So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners of this day for breaking records and, more than anything else, participating in this wonderful sports event. I would also like to thank all the organizers for the hard work that they've put in to make this program a grand success. I would not like to speak for long. I know it has been a long and tiring day for all of you. But at the same time, I would like to say that go back home with two words. The first word is empathy. This is a word which I hold very close to my heart. And empathy mainly means looking at the world from the perspective of somebody else. So I think sports and games are a great way of living together, growing together, learning how to win, and also learning how to lose. Participation is everything. And I'm sure that all of you will have learned many lessons during the sports that you have played and during this day when you participated together with a microcosm of India. St. Aloysius has always been a microcosm of India, and we are very happy to have with us an incredible swimmer as the guest of honor here with us. I think she has been very inspiring to all of us and to all of you. We thank her for coming here and honoring this sports day by her presence. I would also like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Praveen Martis, whose leadership is taking this institution to greater heights by the day. Thank you very much, Father, for giving me this opportunity to be the chief guest during this valedictory. I would also like to thank Dr. Narayan Mulya, the assistant coordinator of today's event. And most importantly, I would like to thank Madam Nitisha Rodriguez and Mr. Arun D'Souza. It is your leadership which has made this happen and happen in this wonderful manner. I think they deserve a very great hand, dear students. So once again, congratulations, thank you, and God bless.
Thank you, sir. Up next is the felicitation of our retiring staff members as we honor their invaluable contribution to the institution. I invite the Vice President of our institution, Ms. Alia Khan, to take over.
Excellence is never an accident. It is the result of discipline, dedication, and teamwork. As part of today's valedictory ceremony, we take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the years of dedicated service rendered by retiring teaching and non-teaching staff. I kindly request Dr. Charles V. Furtado, Dr. Narayana Mulya B., Dr. Mukund Prabhu, Dr. Gerald De Silva, Mr. Henry Almeida, Mr. Arvind D'Souza, Mr. Albert D'Souza, and Mr. Jemmy D'Souza to kindly come forward and take their seats of honor on the dais. Let us now recognize and appreciate their contributions. I now request our Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis S.J., our Registrar, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, and the guest of honor, Ms. Sucheta Deb Berman, to kindly come forward to felicitate them. Dr. Charles V. Furtado. Dr. Charles V. Furtado has served St. Aloysius with distinction for 35 years, having joined the institution in 1991 and has made a lasting contribution to its academic and administrative life. He is the director of the administrative block and professor of English and has held key leadership roles including vice principal of St. Aloysius Evening College and president of the Association of English Teachers under Mangalore University. Beyond academics, he has been actively involved in social, cultural, and outreach initiatives. Dr. Narayana Mulya B. Dr. Narayana Mulya B. has served St. Aloysius College for an impressive 36 years, having joined in 1990 and will retire on 31st May 2026. He has been the head of the Department of Electronics for the past 25 years and has also served as coordinator of the class guides and timetables. Dr. Mulya obtained his PhD in nonlinear optics from Mangalore University in 2008 and has published numerous national and international papers along with 28 research presentations. He was the coordinator of the Imprints program and has actively contributed to college governance, including service as the president of the St. Aloysius Staff Association. Dr. Mukund Prabhu. Dr. Mukund Prabhu has served St. Aloysius College with distinction for 33 years, having joined the institution in 1992 and is set to retire in January 2026. He is a professor and head of the Department of Hindi and has played a significant role in strengthening the department through his academic leadership. He completed his PhD in 1998 and earned his MA from Mysore University with rank. Dr. Prabhu has made substantial scholarly contributions through the publication of numerous research articles and books and by editing 8 textbooks for degree college students. He has also guided 5 PhD scholars and 11 research scholars and has actively contributed as a resource person at national and international seminars and conferences. Dr. Gerald De Silva. Dr. Gerald De Silva has served St. Aloysius College for 18 years, having joined the institution in 2009 and will retire on 30th June 2026. He serves as an associate professor in the Department of Postgraduate Studies in Social Work and is deeply committed to student development and social engagement. He completed his master's in social work from Roshni Nilaya and has specialized in disaster management and activism in the environmental field. Dr. Gerald has been actively involved in social service initiatives and is a member of the Animal Care Trust in Mangalore. Mr. Henry D. Almeida. Mr. Henry D. Almeida joined St. Aloysius College in September 1984 and has served the institution with dedication for 41 years. He began his service as an office assistant in the administrative office and later worked in the college library, contributing to its daily functioning. He then served for nearly 10 to 12 years in the electronics laboratory, supporting academic and practical activities. At present, he continues his service as an office assistant in the Arupe office and will retire in January 2026. Mr. Arvind D'Souza. Mr. Arvind D'Souza joined St. Aloysius College in 1990 and has served the institution with dedication for 35 years. He has been associated with the microbiology department, serving as a laboratory attendant in the microbiology lab. Over the years, he has been exceptional in his work, assisting faculty and students in laboratory processes such as isolating, inoculating, and culturing microorganisms. He will retire in July 2026, leaving behind a legacy of committed service and valuable support to the academic community. Mr. Albert D'Souza. Mr. Albert D'Souza joined St. Aloysius Institution on 25th February 1988 and has served the institution with dedication in various units, including the Father's Residence, College Chapel, Evening College, Evening High School, Evening College Library, and the IGNO office. He also briefly served in the Department of Chemistry before being appointed as lab technician in the Department of Botany. Known for his sincerity and cooperative nature, his contributions are deeply valued and the institution extends its warm wishes to him on his retirement in 2026. Mr. Jemmy D'Souza. Mr. Jemmy D'Souza joined St. Aloysius College in 1988 and has served the institution with dedication for several decades. He began his service in the Applied Biology Laboratory, later worked in the library for 3 years, and then worked in the main administrative office for 3 years. He then served for 14 years in the Department of Zoology. At present, he has been serving as a laboratory assistant in the chemistry department for 13 years. He will retire in 2026 and the college sincerely appreciates his committed and dependable service. Thank you to the dignitaries, and thank you, dear sirs, for your contribution to our college.
Thank you, Alia, and thank you, staff, for your commendable service and dedication over the years. It is indeed an honor to have with us the guiding light of our institution, whose vision and leadership continue to inspire us all. I now request Reverend Dr. Pravin Martis SJ, the Vice Chancellor, to kindly address the gathering with his presidential address.
Respected Dr. Charles Furtado, the chief guest of today's valedictory Sports Annual Day, Ms. Sucheta, the guest of honor, all the dignitaries present on the days and off the days, my dear members of the faculty, and my dear students. We have come to the end of the day, and it seems like all of them are busy listening to one another. If you can listen to me, then tomorrow you'll got some surprise. Yes, what do you want tomorrow? You will have a whole day class? No class? Okay, first you listen to me for 5 minutes, then I'll give you a surprise. We have here the chief guest and the guest of honor, Miss Sucheta. She spoke so nicely in the morning. She was saying, look at St. Aloysius students. They don't listen to the guests. Is it a good nature? No, you shouldn't have done that. Now you'll have to apologize her at the end for not listening to her. Now, whatever she said, I will repeat. She said that, like, swimming is one of the best sports and is a life-saving sport. And all of you, at least when you are here at St. Aloysius, see that you learn swimming, isn't it? Yeah, you must learn swimming and take up these classes because it's a life-saving technique and it's very, very important. And very few institutions all over the world have got this swimming pool, and we have a swimming pool, and you're fortunate enough to have a swimming pool. And if you go and learn there as a life skill, that will be greatly beneficial to you. I would like to especially congratulate all the students, those who have won today. Shall we give them a huge round of applause for their sportsmanship and for really putting their effort and winning. I also would like to congratulate all the participants. So many of them have participated and some of them have broken the records also by winning. Shall we give them a round of applause for those who have broken the records at St. Aloysius? I also would like to thank our 8 of the faculty members. They'll be retiring next year. They have served this institution for more than 38 years. Shall we give them a round of applause for their service and for all that they have been to us at St. Aloysius. And we are coming to the end of the academic year. Now, not the academic year, but the calendar year. We are celebrating the Christmas and after that the New Year. So tomorrow, on behalf of that, we will have the whole day class. No. Okay, today you really listen to me for at least 5 minutes. So based on that, I will give you tomorrow holiday, no regular classes. So you can be at home, enjoy celebrating your Christmas. But see that on the 2nd of January, all of you come back. Because I'm giving you tomorrow holiday, 2nd, we want you all to come back. And see that on the 4th, I want all of you to be there for the 10K, 5K and 3K run. Do you promise that? Yes. Okay, good. So thank you and wish you all the best. Our teachers will come tomorrow at 9:30. We will have a straightaway Christmas celebration at 10 o'clock. But 9:45 they will all be assembled. Our non-teaching staff will be coming at 9 o'clock and they'll also be part of the tomorrow's celebration. Wish you all the best. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, Father. Many hands and hearts have worked together to make this program a success. It has been a collective effort marked by dedication and teamwork. Therefore, I call upon Ms. Nitisha Rodriguez, the Physical Education Director, to render the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear colleagues, and my beloved students. As we come to the end of this exciting 146th Annual Sports Meet 2025-26 of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who have made this event a resounding success. First and foremost, I extend my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Charles V. Furtado, Director of Admin Block, who not only graced this valedictory ceremony, but also served as the coordinator of this athletic meet. We are deeply thankful for your leadership and support, sir. I also express my sincere thanks to our guest of honor who honored us with their presence during the inaugural function and continue to inspire us throughout this event. Your encouragement has added great value to this meet. Thank you, ma'am. I convey my profound gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis, SJ, whose visionary outlook towards sports and physical education continues to motivate us to strive for excellence. His belief that sports play a vital role in shaping disciplined, confident, and holistic individuals is truly inspiring. Thank you, Father. My heartfelt thanks to the Registrar, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, for his constant administrative support. Thank you, sir. A big thank you to Mr. Pradeep, Youth Service Officer, Dakshin Kannada, and his team from Mangala Stadium for providing us with excellent facility and support. I'm deeply thankful to all the directors, deans, heads of the department, and faculty members for their cooperation, support, and active involvement, which ensured the seamless and successful conduct of this athletic meet. A special word of appreciation goes to our maintenance head, Mr. Godwin, and his dedicated team, and Mr. Vishwanath, Office Assistant of Physical Education Department, whose behind-the-scene efforts ensured that the grounds, facilities, and arrangements were always in perfect condition. I would like to place on record my heartfelt thanks to my colleague, Mr. Arun M. D'Souza, our sports secretary, Ms. Varshini, and all the volunteers whose wholehearted support, dedication, and team spirit were the backbone of this event. This meet would not have been possible without your selfless service. I finally thank all the participants, officials, and all students who made this athletic meet vibrant, disciplined, and truly memorable. With gratitude in my heart and pride in our collective effort, I thank each and everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the grand success of this 146th annual athletic meet. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We now come to the most awaited moment of the day, the prize distribution ceremony. I invite Dr. Mona Mendonca to kindly take over.
A warm and a pleasant evening to each and everyone present here. Acknowledging the presence of all the dignitaries on the days and the students of stage, I stand before you to announce the final results. To begin with, the staff events. As far as the 100 meters below 40 men are concerned, here are the proud winners. To begin with, the third prize is backed by Mr. Avinash N. from the Department of Economics. I request Dr. Charles Furtado, the chief guest of this event, to kindly do the honors. And the second place is backed by Mr. Srinidhi from Commerce Department. I request Mr. Srinidhi to kindly come forward. And the first place is backed by Mr. Arjun Prakash from Commerce Department. Congratulations to the winners. And now 100 meters below 40 women are concerned. Third place is backed by Ms. Ashwini from Journalism Department. Can we please have Ms. Ashwini joining us? Second place is backed by Dr. Matilda Paez from the Commerce Department. A loud shout out to Dr. Matilda Paez from the Commerce Department for backing the second prize. And the first prize is backed by Ms. Priya Montero from Mathematics Department. Can we please have Ms. Priya Montero from Mathematics Department? And now moving ahead, we have 50 meters above 40 men, and the third place is backed by Reverend Father Royston Martha from Biotech. May we please have Reverend Father Royston Martha. The second place is backed by Mr. Arun D'Souza from Physical Education. Many congratulations, Mr. Arun D'Souza. Amidst all your hard work, you have shown the true sportsmanship. And the first place under 50 meters above 40 men goes to Dr. Paul D'Souza from Commerce Department. Can we please have Dr. Paul D'Souza from the Commerce Department? Thank you, Dr. Charles, for doing the honors. May I please request Dr. Narayana Mulya to do the honors for the next category as far as the staff events are concerned. This is with the 50 meters above 40 women are concerned. And the third place is backed by Dr. Vaishali Rai from Microbiology Department. Can we please have Dr. Vaishali Rai?
Cool gala get hot, jump up, bad man salute, gun shot. Smoke in the air, first drink in your cup. Whenever my gal, how low can you drop? All night now stop.
And the second place is backed by Miss Nitisha from Physical Education, a proud moment rather. Let the loud shout out come to Miss Nitisha from Physical Education. And the first place is backed by Dr. Rima De Silva from BBA Department. Here is to Dr. Rima De Silva from BBA Department. Thank you. And now, coming on to the shot put above 40 men categories concerned. The third place is backed by Dr. Roshan Montero from MSW. May I please request Dr. Roshan Montero to join us on stage, please. Second place is backed by Dr. Shujesh from Biotech Department. And the first place is backed by Mr. Arun D'Souza from the Physical Education.
Jump up.
And finally, we come to the shot put above 40 women is concerned. And the third place is backed by Ms. Savita D'Souza from Social Work Department. Ms. Savita D'Souza from Social Work Department. The second place is backed by Dr. Rima De Silva from BBA. And the first place is backed by Dr. Renita D'Souza from Biotech. Dr. Renita D'Souza. Thank you and congratulations to all the winners, and thank you Dr. Narayana Mulya for doing the honors. Can we please lower the music for a while? And now the most awaited event of the day, the results of the flash mob is right here. We had incredible teams giving their electrifying performances, but we had to choose the three best. And here are the results. And the third place is backed by, any guesses? You are absolutely right, and the third place goes to BBA. Can we have two representatives from the team coming here? I request two representatives only from Team BBA to collect your prizes. I now request a Vice Chancellor who is presiding over this event. I request Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis SJ to do the honors. Run, run, run. We have left with very little time, and I know you're not ready to compromise. We want only 3 students, and all the students can join us here, down. Here, 3 students, 3. And all the other students will cooperate. Quick, quick, quick. And here is to Team BBA who have backed the third prize in Flash Mob. Can we put our hands together? Many congratulations, Team BBA. And now, as far as the second place is concerned, any guesses? We have BCom. Can we please have 3 representatives and the entire team joining us off stage? We appreciate your hard work, your team spirit. I request 3 representatives only 3 representatives. We have no time left, therefore can we please have 3 representatives from BCom. There's a huge delay going on. I request 3 representatives to join us. Please don't look forward for others, whoever is here. All the other students, kindly come forward. Thank you so much. And the first place is backed by a team that showed incredible performance, and that's BSc. That's right. So can we please have the team BSc joining us? Can we have 3 representatives?
Just come outside for the night. Take your time.
Many congratulations. Many congratulations. I request the BCA team to go back to your places. All right, going ahead. Now coming to the individual championship as far as the men's category is concerned. All right, and to do the honors, may I please request the guest of honor to kindly come forward and give away the prizes for the individual championship, madam. And proudly, I take this privilege to announce the name of Mr. Prem Pedro Sidhi. Can we please have Mr. Prem Pedro Sidhi joining us, who has shown incredible performance. Can someone locate Prem? Prem Pedro Sidhi. All right. He could join us later. And now, as far as the women's category is concerned, with pride, I announce the name of Pritisha Shetty. Can we please have Pritisha Shetty on the dais, please? A girl who has always made us proud. Can we put our hands together for Pritisha Shetty? Congratulations, Pritisha. I request you, ma'am, to continue standing so that we can go ahead with the other events as well. And now coming to the overall championship, men's category is concerned. And the second place is backed by First Commerce C-Batch. Can we have 2 representatives from First Commerce C-Batch joining us on the dais? Do we have any other representatives from the class? All right. If there is none, should we go with the other category? Yes. All right. So moving ahead with overall championship. Okay. And the first place is backed by 3rd BCom G batch. 3rd BCom G. I request the representative to kindly come forward and receive the trophy. I request any one representative from final BCom G batch coming here right away and receive the trophy. Do we have any representatives? All right. As far as the women's category is concerned for the overall championship, the second place is backed by second year BWOC. Second year BWOC. I request anyone representing 2nd BOK to receive the trophy from the guest of honor. She's coming, coming. No, he's just a representative of the And the first place is backed by 2nd BBA E-Batch. Do we have any representative from 2nd BBA E-Batch? Congratulations, 2nd BBA E-Batch. And now coming to the overall championship. And it's with pride and honor, I would love to announce the overall championship trophy that goes to none other than 2nd BWOC. So can we have 4 representatives from BWOC joining us on stage to receive their trophy?
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo.
Champion, 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 champion.
Everybody knows say Bravo a
Champion, 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 champion.
Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion. Gayle
Thank
is
you
a
so
champion.
much.
Don't forget.
The winners. Thank you so much, guest of honor, for doing the honors. And over to the MC.
Thank you, ma'am. As we approach the conclusion of today's program, we proceed to the flag lowering ceremony, marking the formal conclusion of the athletic meet. I request the directors of physical education of our institution, Mr. Arun D'Souza and Ms. Nitisha Rodriguez, as well as Sports Secretary Ms. Varshini, to kindly escort the dignitaries onto the flag post. I request the Vice Chancellor to kindly lower the flag.
As it's a solemn moment, I request all the students to remain standing quietly. appreciating all our athletes for the dedication and for the hard work that's gone all through these months to put up an event like this, making a college, our class, our discipline proud. This is the moment they take back home and cherish for the rest of their lives. And the sports secretary would now take the flag and march forward towards the Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Matas, SG. And now he would hand over it to the Director of Sports, Ms. Nitisha.
As a tribute to the spirit of unity, discipline, and sportsmanship celebrated today, may I request all present to stand in attention for the national anthem. Now, I request the guest of honor to declare the sports meet close.
You have to hear my voice again, so listen up, guys. I now declare the annual 146th Annual Athletic Sports Meet closed.
Thank you so much, madam. I request all the dignitaries to join us. It's time to shake off the day's excitement and groove together. I request our students to join us for Baila. And before that, we have 2 guidelines to follow.